You're also short Tesla, and just hearing how you lay out your investment case for Apple, you must be expecting Tesla shares to get cut in half. I mean, they're fundamentally wildly different companies, and Tesla no way is Apple.
Yeah, I think there's obviously huge differences in both companies, although they do share the same sort of China risk and loss of market share in China. And yes, I think Tesla, we're short Tesla as well. And again, these are short positions that are small, 1% to 2% positions for us. But yeah, we could easily see Tesla dropping 50%. At that point, it would still be trading at a sales multiple of like 2 or 3 times.
What triggers that? Is it China, or is it just the U.S. EV market never comes to fruition?
With short positions with such a high valuation, I think you never know what can be the trigger. But a loss of market share as competitive car manufacturers come out with more and more EV models, and people realize that some of the promises about full self-driving and robotaxis just always get pushed into the future. I think at any given moment that can serve to kind of realize the gravitational pull of such a high valuation.
Is Musk's kowtowing to Xi Jinping something that could potentially be a growth area, particularly because 60% of EV sales do come out of China?
I mean, being beholden to what is essentially a dictator, I think, is always a risk for any business. And the higher the valuation of your company and the more dependent you are on China for your growth, I think the more at risk you are there of the political machinations in China.
I want to end really quickly on something you said about Meta, because their AI spend got dinged by the street. Why is it that their AI capex was negative?
Well, I mean, I think anytime a company is making a large capital investment, you have to wonder what the returns are going to be on that investment. But I think what Zuckerberg has proven over the past few years is that he can be trusted to make smart investments when they come along, and they're going to grow more than 20% this year. So we're willing to give him the benefit of the doubt that those are going to bear fruit over the near term.